This short video will show you how to create a permalink to an article using Eagle Search. First, you will need to have a title or other identifying information to put into Eagle Search. Just for a visual example, I'm copying this article title here. Next, type or paste the article title into the Eagle Search box. You can leave the search scope on everything. With enough title information entered, the article should appear at the top of the list. Click on the link icon to the right of the item title to get a permalink. You can copy the permalink to your clipboard and it's ready to paste into Canvas or other documents. The permalink you save from Eagle Search will bring you back to the item's record, which looks like this, and will give you access to all of the different places where the article can be viewed online using the library subscriptions. You can also use an article's Digital Object Identifier, or DOI, to search in Eagle Search, if you want to be even more precise in your searching. You may use the DOI link or just the DOI number. This is a unique identifier that applies just to this article and should result in only one item appearing in Eagle Search.